Here is a wind advisory statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Decatur, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. Saturday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 11 a.m. Saturday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Timing: the strongest wind gusts are expected between 4 and 8 p.m. Winds: sustained winds around 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Tree limbs may break and cause power outages if they fall on power lines. Driving may become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unsecured outdoor objects may be blown about. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 30 miles per hour or wind gusts of 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.